What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy, Mr. HighLife Films.
And it's your lady, Tramika.
Yes, and we just leaving the High Learning HighLife book club that we have on Facebook. It's a private group. We meet every day, Monday through Friday at 12 o'clock noon, and we read and we give our paradigms, and we just have a discussion about all these amazing books that we read. And we are currently reading The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Hey, Robin, wherever you are in the world right now, I just want to let you know you're leaving great impact. This book right here, you did that. You did that. So today we finished up chapter 4, which is letting go of mediocrity and all that's ordinary. So it reminded me of that Eric Thomas. You're not average. But today was a really good read. When I tell you, it was some gems in here. It was Gem City. Gem City. I'm talking about I could literally do like this and just boop. I'll be like, oh, got a takeaway. But one of the biggest takeaways from this chapter was when he said that with every challenge comes the gorgeous opportunity to rise into your next level as a leader, performer, and human being. Obstacles are nothing more than tests designed to measure how seriously you want the rewards that your ambitions seek. They show up to determine how willing you are to improve into the kind of person who can hold that amount of success. Failure's just growth in wolf clothing. Oh my goodness. When I tell you, sometimes failure just be looking like a whole wolf. It don't look like it ain't in no wolf. It don't look like nothing else but the wolf. The big bad wolf at that. And the part, he said, obstacles are nothing more than tests designed to see how bad you want it. You know, if everything was just so easy, I feel like everyone would do it. Like if everything came easily and you say, we use The Secret, for example, where it says you just attract whatever you want, If it was that easy, everybody would have exactly what they want, which means we all would have nothing because there wouldn't be nothing left for us to have because everybody can't have the same thing.
You gotta put in that work.
But it just goes to show you different obstacles that go on in your life and make you who you are, and it builds your character. It builds you, it gives you that experience, that wisdom that you need to go to the next level. And yeah, that was my biggest takeaway.
Yeah, I mean, that right there, when I read that, I almost shouted. You hear me? But that also goes along with what he was saying when he said, the harder you work, the more you live. And one of the points that he made in the book was the first 50 years of our life, we're exploring, we're seeking legitimacy. We want our peers, to respect us on a level of what we're doing. We're really, working hard to earn that level of life, that we're seeking. And then the last 50 years of our life, we're not so much of selfish, like how we are, in that first set of years or that first 50 years. But we're more so in the last 50 years, it's about how can we assist, how can we help others. It's more so of we instead of just me.
Yeah, we want to pay it forward in the last 50.
We start thinking about our legacy, what we leaving behind. We start thinking about, goodness, I wish I did this at 25, or I wish I did that at that. So that right there kind of grabbed me and was like, now is the time. Now is the time. Now is the time to execute. Now is the time to really, set that example for your family and really get down to it. It's not, like you said earlier, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be just a smooth slate on the things that we want. We have to work hard for it. It ain't about just being good. It's about being great at what you do, because when you're actually great at what you do, that's when the impact comes. And you say it all the time, be so good they can't ignore you. Like your haters gonna start asking, are you hiring? Your haters gonna start, coming around being, hey, I see, yeah, girl, you doing that.
Hey, friend.
Hey, friend. Girl, I see. You know what I mean? Like, and so that's being so good that they can't ignore you. And these books really just shift your mindset in a way that, it just elevates you to another level.
Yeah,
so
it was gym after gym today. When I
it
tell you,
shook me.
I'm talking about he was jumping out the gym with a gym. for the gym. Man, it was just, I love the way he put this book together. I keep saying that and reiterating that. As an author myself, it just inspires me to do better and be greater. So thank you so much for this book. If you guys aren't a member of the HighLife HighLife book club, I highly recommend you come on over and join us. Get tapped in, you know, see the things we have going on in the community and how we're leaving greater impact on the world.
Yes, 12 noon every day, Monday through Friday.
Yes. So do something today that your future self will thank you for. And please don't forget to put some respect on your mind. Hey.